Okay, so before we get to the demo, let's do one more walkthrough of the interior as is, because over time this house is definitely going to look different. The second floor bathroom still had all the original tiles and fixtures in it. There was wallpaper everywhere. Some rooms had carpet, others had hardwood looking floors, and all the spaces just look and feel a little different. I already have ideas for what I want to change, but first I have to start pulling everything apart. Some of the wallpaper came off super easily, and some sections absolutely fought me the entire time. So it kind of looks like I'm ripping out real wood floors here, but it was actually more like laminated paper strips made to look like wood planks. So there wasn't really anything underneath worth saving or refinishing. So once the demo was mostly done, I did start sanding and cleaning everything up so I could finally start rebuilding the space. For the walls, I cut and painted thin wood panels to basically create fresh drywall over all the old wallpaper and damaged surfaces. Seeing these new walls start going in made the room feel completely different already. I mean, let's be honest, it's still very unfinished, but moving in the right direction. Okay, so for the flooring, I wanted something warmer and more natural looking than what was originally in the house. So I laser cut individual wood planks and layered two different stain colors to get more variation in the tones. I'll include a link or the name of the two stains that I used. I originally started by spreading glue across larger sections of the floor, but after a while I realized gluing the planks individually actually worked a lot better for the look I wanted. I definitely got particular about the flooring placement once I started laying everything down. Especially here around the front entry area, where I had to cut a piece down to keep the pattern lined up correctly. There's still a lot left to do in this house, but getting the walls and flooring started really made it feel like we're heading in the right direction. Stay tuned.